I don't know about the leg room. What's going on here, Jeremy? Oh, you got a strap on it.
That's the way they come.
They come with straps like that for shipping, or?
Oh yeah.
I was taken away from us. We just got it today.
No, we're not buying it today. We're not buying it.
When we buy it, we're going to get 2 of them, bud. But I got to make sure I fit in it.
Yes, sir.
I
fit in it. I race these.
Okay, you drove one?
Yes.
And how tall are you, guy?
6'6".
You're 6'6", about an inch taller than me.
6'7" on a good day.
Okay, so you're 6'6".
Yes.
Is the seat all the way back?
Yeah.
It's not mounted. It'll have more room to
Actually, it should be mounted right there.
It is mounted?
Yeah, because it's all the way back.
Yeah, you're not gonna. I don't think you're gonna like
All right,
it.
let me sit in there. Let's see what's going on.
Wow.
All right, so this is the brand new RZR RS1 1000. They just got it in today. They're tearing it down, getting it hooked up. Is that right, Jeremy?
Yes, sir. Getting it put together.
Yeah. What's the stance on that once it's all? Okay, so you're basically sitting straight up in this thing, no lean back at all, huh?
It's,
No, just like the RZRs.
it's a solid mount. It's not adjustable.
Let me try it out. Now you're 6'6".
You're 6'6"?
Let me see. Let's see how tall he is to me. Come on over here, guy.
He's taller than you. So you might
I mean, if you're tippy-toeing. Y'all are about the same height if you're tippy-toeing.
Okay, let's see.
It might be all right then.
Let's see, because he's a big guy, right? Yeah. How much you weigh?
About 325.
325? Woo! Did you play football?
Yeah.
I do. Okay, so the seat's really not mounted yet. Let's see what we got. Okay. All right. Oh, hell yes. I like this. This son of a bitch is going to be looking good up in Moab, Utah, bro. Where's the door? You see what I'm saying, Jeremy?
Yes, sir.
This thing's just right, baby.
Yeah, okay.
But you know what? We got a problem, Jeremy.
What's up?
You can't test drive it in the parking lot. When is that day going to happen, dude?
Tomorrow, hopefully.
All right,
by the
come on
end of
over
the
here,
day.
Jeremy. What's the deal here? Tell us something about the brakes down here. What's going on? Why we got 2 brake pedals, guy?
2 brake pedals?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
What's going on? We got. So you got one here for a brake and one for gas, so you can like jam it down and get going, or what?
Go-kart style when you're racing.
Okay.
Got one foot on the gas, one foot on the brake.
Okay, so that's like go-kart racing. Were you a go-kart guy when you were?
No. I just know that.
Okay, so I actually got some pretty good leg room. I mean, I'm leaning down in, I'm feeling comfortable. Jeremy?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty comfortable.
Okay.
You know what I mean? I don't feel like I'm crunched up, like, you know, like I'm sitting like this, and the steering wheel's right here. You know? Well, there you go. You see? Did you see what he just
I
did?
saw that.
But if I was actually going to drive this thing, I'd probably have it down here like that. What are you thinking, guy?
Absolutely.
Yeah. That'd be good for racing.
Racing?
You know, just cruising around.
Okay, so if we were like out in the Slick Rock up in Moab, Utah, you know, trying to climb the rocks, we'd be up here.
Probably
No, I'd go
about
racing.
halfway.
I'd go.
Okay,
yeah,
so we'd
I'd
be
go
about right
down
there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so if we were like on 191 going from Spanish Valley but down to Moab to get us a soda pop, we might be cruising like this.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know if it's street
Okay.
legal. I don't think you'd be cruising down the highway.
This is street legal, isn't it? It's got brake lights and all that.
It does have brake lights, so it's not street legal here.
Okay, so
Utah, that's not a roll bar. That's actually.
can I get out of here? What's going on?
Yeah,
It's 'cause
the roll bar.
This won't be.
Okay, what were you just saying, bud? This is not a
actually
roll.
just for shipping. This is actually going to be on top.
Yeah. This.
Oh, that's actually the roll bar.
Yeah, that's the roll bar.
Now, can you fit in one of these with the roll bar?
Yes. I can show you.
Jeremy said he can fit. Can you fit in
They
one of these?
usually have about.
Oh, so it's about that tall? Okay.
No, it'll be.
Is that you?
Yeah.
Wow, dude.
So I can fit in that.
Okay. Well, we saw you. You could fit. Okay, so this one here you say is probably sold, right?
No, not necessarily. It's
No.
not sold yet.
Huh.
We just got it.
So is that the tires that come with it, or a special order? Because I know you can order a lot of stuff with these.
That is what.
So that's the OEM factory job right there.
Yes, sir.
That would suit me just fine. What are you thinking, Minnie? Huh?
Yeah, those Maxes are good.
Now let me ask you a question, Jeremy, sales guy that you are.
Yes, sir.
When people order these, do they actually go full bore and get all the accessories and winches and
I mean, it depends on, as far as this,
Yeah.
I don't know, I haven't sold one yet.
Yeah, you sold one. You're getting ready to, buddy.
Yes, sir.
You're getting ready to.
Hopefully I'll sell 10 of them this
These are
month.
for more of the racer scenes.
Yeah, but what about us? What about the
I would say-
hobbyists like us?
So I would
Oh,
say
you
the
can-
most popular thing would be, you know, bumpers and
Right, right. You got to have some bumpers, right?
bumpers and top.
The bumpers, maybe a windshield.
Maybe a sound system.
Yeah, half windshield.
Now I noticed that they sell a half windshield and a full windshield. Why would somebody go with a half windshield?
Airflow.
Airflow to the cab so they can cool their head down, or
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe they
Absolutely.
don't want a full windshield all the time, so they.
right?
Maybe they just want it for other stuff getting kicked up, not necessarily. For
So do people prefer having the windshield more than not having it, or? I mean, what's up with
it's
you?
a 50-50 shot on the user application.
Okay, so that's the angle on this thing. This is an awesome machine right here. These guys have been a big help, and we're going to get a couple of them. And Jeremy's going to be our sales guy.
Sir.
Now, are these things hard to work on, Jeremy?
Are they hard to work on?
Yeah, like let's say, you know, because
No,
I'm going to,
I mean, well,
I'm
I mean,
moving to
I
Moab, Utah, and when I go out to Moab, being the service guy that you are, am I going to have a problem working on this thing by myself?
How technical?
Well, I'm pretty technical. I mean, I own my own shop, 38 years. Thank you very
You
much.
won't have a problem.
Okay.
You will like.
So are these like working on motorcycle engines or car engines?
motorcycle engines?
These are more like a motorcycle.
More like the inline kind of.
Now this is fuel injection. We're not talking carburetors.
Yes, sir.
This is like Y2K compatible situation here, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what's the tune-up capability on this? How many miles would you prefer? Like, how many miles would you have to put on it before it needs a good overall tune-up?
Okay, 10 hours is your break-in period. So 10 hours, 0 to 10, you'll come in and get your oil changed. It depends on if you get a FSP with us, etc.
Right.
Then after the 10 hours, you can throw a power commander on there.
Power
exhaust,
commander?
Whatever you
What's
want.
that, bud?
It's a fuel injection tuning.
Oh, so you can just fine-tune it the way you want.
Yes, sir.
Is that right, Jeremy?
Absolutely.
So this is two-wheel or four-wheel drive?
Yes, ma'am.
This is a 2 or 4-wheel?
Yeah, it's got.
Now, why would you use this as a 2-wheel drive operation, Jeremy?
Drifting.
Handling.
Really? So it handles better in 2-wheel
A
drive?
lot of our guys on tracks, they don't.
I'm sorry, you're backlit, bud. Hang on a second. Okay, there you go.
A lot of our guys at tracks, they don't use four-wheel.
They don't? Because I noticed on that video on YouTube, that guy racing it, it didn't look like he was on 4-wheel. He was in 2-wheel action.
Correct.
Because like you said, he was drifting.
Right.
Yeah, so when you're drifting one of these, you don't apply the 4-wheel drive, or?
No. When you're coming up to a corner, you want to swing that ass end out so you can, carry it. If you got four-wheel drive, it's going to want to bite, and then you'll just topple over.
Topple over like as in roll it?
Yeah.
Seriously.
Well, I mean, yeah, you got
Wow.
four-wheel drive on, you're going fast, and you're coming to a corner.
Did you hear that, Minnie?
Bite.
He's
Now-
trying to tell you how to drive it. You don't want to do that, see?
Well, don't
Now,
worry.
I will say that
fast.
with the RS1,
Uh-huh.
you probably got a little bit more leeway on going sideways because
A lot.
you're sitting there inside of it.
Yeah, your center of
Versus
gravity
the
is
outside
more
of it.
centered.
Well, I got to say one thing, guys. It's a badass machine here. I mean, a lot of guys, they're going to come in here and they're going to say, I want to buy tune-up kits for it, and I want to buy beefy shocks and, extension arms and, make it stand up higher. Is that necessary, service guy? I think it's a waste of money.
If you're going out mud bogging, stuff like that,
This is all you need.
Then you want to.
Oh, really?
But, if you're just wanting to go have a good time in Moab, then it's ready to go as it sits.
Rednecks and paychecks, what's going on with that? Are you going to be there, bud?
Nope.
You're not?
No, sir.
Why not?
I'm getting married on the
Did
17th.
you get in trouble last year?
No, I'm getting married on the 17th.
That would be a good honeymoon. That'd be a good honeymoon trip.
Well, the
Are you going, bro?
This year is 16th,
No, sir.
17th, and 18th.
You're not going?
No, sir.
Okay. You ought to go up there. Check it out. Have you been there before?
Yes, I have.
Is it fun?
It's very wild now.
We're going, dudes. We're going to be there, bud.
You got a toy hauler?
Okay, let me get a walk around of it and then see what
go ahead.
happens.